Hi, my name is Chef John Kapusta, and I've been with IUP Academy of Culinary Arts for almost 20 years now. I've taught almost all the classes here at the Academy over the years, culinary kitchens, pastry kitchens, management classes, but currently I am the Culinary Academy's Externship Coordinator. An externship is a paid work experience hosted by one of our many high-quality affiliated sites. Our students need to complete a 450-hour work experience while staying at the site, and it is paid, which is really nice. This happens during the fourth and last semester as a student and usually runs from August through January. Usually this leads to full-time employment immediately following the 450-hour experience. Some of the sites we're affiliated with, Nemacolin Woodlands in Farmington, PA. They have a lot of fine restaurants there. One in particular, Lautrec, is run by Chef Kristen Butterworth. She is one of the very few female and one of the youngest five-star, five-diamond chefs in the U.S. She also oversees all the other restaurants there, some of them are actually run by our alum as well. The Breakers Hotel in Palm Springs is another one. In Florida, the Ocean Reef Club in Florida. These are very, very high-end properties. We have alum in those places as well. Chef Josh Rhodes at the Breakers currently does all their wedding cakes. Chef Shelby Confer at the Ocean Reef Club. She takes care of the site's cooking school. The Ocean Reef Club has close to 20 restaurants where you as a student can get some really, really good experience and a wide variety of experience as well. Chef Jeremy Crichfield, another one of our alum, runs the Stonehouse restaurant and inn in Farmington, PA. He also does so many other things. In addition to being the chef at that location, he runs a butcher shop and is an avid outdoorsman. You can even see him on television, hunting and cooking. So there's a lot of opportunities there. Wow, my least favorite food, mayonnaise, without a doubt. That's one of those foods that I don't know why, but growing up, I never took a liking to. I actually am a very picky eater, which is strange because I cook a lot of different things and eat a lot of different things. But being a chef means I have to test for quality. I have to taste the amount of food that I taste with mayonnaise in it. A lot of people are surprised that I don't like to eat it. I don't even have a jar of mayonnaise at home. But part of my job is to taste. It's to make sure the food heading out the door is high quality. So yeah, I still get my fair share of mayonnaise, but it isn't something that I choose on a regular basis. Well, thanks for taking the time to spend a little time with us at IUP and the chefs. We hope to see you very, very soon in our classrooms. Thank you.